I love my MacBook, and one of the things that I love about it is the keyboard. It works great. I am a heavy user and I'm typing on it all the time. But lately I've been running into a very frustrating issue. When I'm typing and I press the Shift key, I've noticed that half the time it doesn't go down all the way. Now it doesn't happen all the time, but just every once in a while. And this is very frustrating. I expect the capital letter, and instead I get the lowercase. So today I'm going to dig into this and find out what's going on. For that, I'm going to be using this iFixit toolkit. I'll include a link in the description below to the one that I'm using here, but these things are fantastic. So as you can see here, I can use this tool here. I'm really not sure what it's called, but I can use it to get under the key. Now if you're like me and you're doing this for the first time, your heart is racing right about now. I was extremely nervous that I was going to break something as I was doing this. You push hard enough and eventually the key will unclip. And as you can see here, I was pretty nervous, so it did take me a little longer than it should have. I thought about speeding the video up, but I wanted you to see what it took for me to get this key off. Just keep at it, and after a while, the key does pop off. As you can see here, there's several spots where the key clips, and so you just got to push hard enough to get it to unclip. Now that I've got the key out, I can clearly see what the problem is with my keyboard. And I can also see why this was happening off and on, instead of constantly. So it looks like there's something down there. Looks like something fell in there. I grabbed the tweezers that come in my iFixit kit, and sure enough, it's a piece of lead from a mechanical pencil that just managed to slip right under the Shift key. And that was the cause of my problem. Now when you're putting the key back, just make sure that the little wires at the end fit in the appropriate slots, like so, and then you can go ahead and push the key back in place until it snaps into the clips firmly. Now the actual clip mechanism for the keys varies by what key you're trying to pop out, but the basic principle is still the same. You just got to get under it and push it up until it snaps out of place, and then you can get to whatever it is that might be keeping you from pressing the key all the way down. Then carefully put it back in place and you should be good to go. Now I'm just pressing it to make sure that it's secure. So here is the Essential Electronics Toolkit from iFixit. If you're interested in purchasing one, check out the link in the description below. It is an extremely handy kit. And good as new. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe, leave a comment. Those are very helpful to me. Also, if there are other videos like this that you would like to see, go ahead and leave a comment as well. Thank you.